Let me show you how we can move camera around in SketchUp for web. The first movement we need to learn is to zoom in and out. There's only one difference comparing to 2D software. We are zooming in to the mouse, not to the center of the screen. If I place my mouse here on the left and I zoom in with my scroll wheel on my mouse, as you can see, I zoom in to the left side. If I place my pointer, my mouse on the right side, I'm now zooming into that side. So before you zoom in and out, always look where the mouse is. We can zoom into this corner at the top or maybe this one at the bottom. It's all up to you. So remember, you are zooming in not to the center but to the mouse, to the cursor. Alright, so we simply use the scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom in and out. How about orbiting around the objects? Let's grab the orbit tool here. From the tool list on the left. Not the rotation tool, but the orbit tool. They are pretty similar icons. Here's the orbit tool. You can also indicate this tool with the shortcut O. Now you click and orbit around that click. So also it's important where your mouse is. The best way is to kind of fill this tool is to actually make a full 360 rotation around something just like that. Alright, so we got zoom in and out, we got orbit around, and there's only one more movement we need to learn to have a full control of the camera. I talk about panning. It's just below the orbit. In this case, it will not change the angle, but it will pan up and down, left and right. And actually, there's a handy trick. If you got orbit tool active, like that, and you press and hold Shift on your keyboard, you will be panning. So this way you can do all three actions without changing tools. So just activate your orbit tool and you're orbiting, hold Shift to pan, use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. And that's all you need to know to move the camera around, to position the camera in this 3D space in SketchUp for web. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.